Well, hello again. Hope you're doing well. Hope you enjoyed the last video. This one's gonna hopefully be not too much difficult or not overly new to you, and that we've already covered this, so it's simply called a review. Now, today we're gonna do the surface area of a triangle and a circle. Okay, so starting off, we take a look. Similar to other shapes, and getting ready to calculate the surface area, the first thing we need to know is the formula we're going to use. Now, the formula depends on the shape, so we know that this shape is a triangle. So taking a look at our formula sheet, textbook, internet, writing on the wall, maybe you've written it on your hand. The formula for a triangle is surface area equals base times height divided by 2. Okay, now you'll notice that's just stated here at the bottom. Next step, after we write down the formula, is we basically substitute the formula parts for what we know, the knowns. We substitute the unknowns for the knowns. So in case of our formula, our base is 16, our height is 12. Okay. So second step, all we've done is just taken the same formula, substituted the values in for the letters, and now we're going to go to step 3, which is easy. Now you just do the calculation. Okay. So 16 times 12. Now use your calculator if you want, long division multiplication. But either way, you're going to get to 192. We keep the divided by 2 till our last part. Then 192 divided by 2 is going to give us 96. Now remembering, what do we do and what do we make sure that we do for every time we do surface area or any type of math? I can't hear you. Right. We make sure that we are using the correct units of measure. And in this one, it's centimeters squared, not just centimeters. Moving on, surface area of a circle. In this case, same as always, first we take a look at the shape we're using. In this case, it's a circle. We take a look at our formula sheet, figure out that a circle, the formula is, now my big head is covering it up here, so I'm going to move my head out of the way. Maybe I'll move my head to the middle of the ball. There we go. Surface area of a circle is pi r squared. Yes. Now, step 2, as before, we basically substitute the values we know for the unknowns in the formula. Pi in this case is 3.14. R, or the radius, is 7. We write it in. So it's 3.14 times the radius squared, which is 49. Moving on. From there, all we do is the math. You punch the numbers in the calculator. So 3.14 times 7 times 7, which is 49, should give you 153. Now, if you just remember from the previous question, and in terms of doing a triangle, what's the last thing we do, or we make sure we have correct before we submit our answer? We make sure that the unit of measure is correct, and in this case, it would be meters squared. That's about it. There's our quick review. I think it only took about 2 minutes of surface area for a triangle and a circle. Look at your Google Classroom to see if there's going to be any questions related to practicing.